Due to constant R&D of aerators, Environ has helped many more clients in energy saving in their existing effluent treatment plants and in achieving good results as per the norms of Pollution Control Board. Environ Engineering Company carries out the energy auditing for the existing aeration systems and checks the possibility of reducing the energy cost in their present existing aeration systems. We have carried out the energy auditing for several industries and saved the sizable amount of energy in the existing aeration systems by installing Environ make energy efficient aerators. Some of them are
Messrs. Hindustan Newsprint Limited, Kottayam. They have got 16 numbers of existing 75 HP aerators in their aeration system, where we have reduced the energy by 50 HP per aerator by replacing 6 numbers of 75 HP existing aerators by our 6 numbers of Environ make 25 HP energy efficient aerators. They are replacing all their aerators stage wise and will be saving a total energy of 800 HP. At Messrs. Ballarpur Industries Limited, Yamunanagar, where total energy of 550 HP was saved in their existing aeration system by installing our 10 numbers of 20 HP energy efficient aerators in place of their existing 10 numbers of 75 HP aerators, and achieving the required results also in their aeration system with aeration tank depth of 4.5 meters. At Messrs. Patanjeru Envirotech Limited, Patanjeru, one of the biggest CETPs of India, where previously the liquid oxygen was additionally injected in their aeration system, already having the surface aerators. But after installing our 16 numbers of 30 HP energy efficient aerators, their expenditures in liquid oxygen was stopped and also savings in power. At Messrs. Dombivli Better Environment System, Dombivli, one of the biggest CETPs of Maharashtra, having the aeration tank depth of 4.5 meters. ELO2 aerators were running and had zero DO level. These aerators were replaced by our 8 numbers of 40 HP energy efficient aerators. They got the results as per the MPCB norms, and now it is considered as the best CETP in India. At Vapi CETP, Vapi, one of the biggest CETP of Gujarat, in 2 sections of aeration tank of 4.5 meter side water depths, they were using diffused aeration system as they were facing lot of problems and also not getting the required results. They have replaced the same with 10 numbers of 40 HP Environ make energy efficient aerators, and they are satisfied with the performance of the energy efficient aerators and getting required results as per GPCB norms. Presently, at Messrs. Tamil Nadu Newsprint and Papers Limited, they have got 26 numbers of 75 HP aerators of other make, where we are replacing the same with our 40 HP energy efficient aerators. They have placed the order for 4 numbers. After seeing the performance, they will be replacing all the aerators and will be saving energy of 910 HP. At Messrs. Gujarat Insecticides Limited, Ankleshwar, 1 number 20 HP aerator of other make plus 10 HP diffused aeration were running in their aeration system without getting the DO level. We have replaced the aerator and the diffused aeration by our 1 number 12.5 HP energy efficient aerator. The required DO level and BOD reduction were achieved and saved energy of 17.5 HP.
There are many more such cases of replacement of the existing aeration systems by our energy efficient aerators for the aeration tanks with higher depths of 5 meters. We have also got many successful installations in aeration tanks with higher depths. Environ has studied and carried out a report on energy saving in sewage treatment plant, common effluent treatment plant, wherein we have found a large scope for energy saving in ETPs, STPs, CETPs. Upon studying one of the STP of Municipal Corporation of Vadodara having 16 numbers of 50 HP aerators, we have suggested the replacement of these 50 HP aerators by our 30 HP energy efficient aerators, offering guaranteed results as per norms of PCB. There is a scope of total 320 HP energy saving, that is, total 40% saving can be achieved with total capital investment of rupees 70 to rupees 75 lakhs, and in return monetary saving of approximate rupees 1 crore 25 lakhs per year can be achieved with a payback period of only 8 months.